Always be on the lookout for your next leader. Hey folks, it's Kirk Langford with practical leadership tips for you and your team. In our most recent Leader Feeder episode, we talked about developing future leaders, whether it's in a warehouse, manufacturing, operations setting. And I wanted to share a couple of really cool tips with you. The first one that we want to talk about is don't wait to look for your next leader. So what we mean by that is that it's often easy to kind of get into the thick of things and really only think about succession and who would fill a spot or who should be up and coming when someone sends us their resignation and we need to find someone to fill that spot. Instead, what we want to be doing is always thinking in the back of our minds about succession, about who would be looking to move up or move into another role should things change. You know the people on your team. So be asking yourself, if I were to move to a different position or someone else were to move, who would be the best person to fill that new spot? Would it be someone already on my team, or would I think about hiring from outside? Bottom line, don't wait until a position opens to start thinking about who would fill the spot and your succession planning in general. Have that in the back of your mind all the time. Like and follow for more practical leadership tips.